The other way you can draw your characters is by using tracing. This is where you have a template either from a past cartoon or just a separate drawing that you keep on hand of all your characters, and then you use this to then trace over and copy your character. Now this is not always a direct copy because your character will be doing different things from comic strip to comic strip. So it's not exactly like copying. Now some artists can be derisive of this method. Oh, it's not original art. Well, yeah, some of the best comic strip artists, at least in terms of popularity, have used this method, and they make their characters different and original every single time. Benefits of this are that your characters will remain very consistent throughout your comic strips. It's very easy whenever you draw freehand to have some deviations sneak in there. Ones that you didn't necessarily expect at the time. Furthermore, I mean, you can still do a lot of creative things, putting your characters into new poses, situations, and expressions.